Are you ready to create stunning short videos using InVideo AI? Here's a quick and easy way to get started, even if you have no prior experience. Step 1. Plan your short video idea. Before jumping in, think of a creative idea. Not sure how to shape it? No worries. Just paste your idea into ChatGPT, and it will generate a high-quality prompt tailored for you. Step 2. Sign up on InVideo AI. Paste the prompt you received from ChatGPT, click Generate Video, and wait a few moments. A selection panel will pop up. Here you can choose the duration, platform, and visual style. Note, with the free plan, some options may be limited. After selecting your preferences, click Generate, then select Free and hit Continue. Step 4. Download and refine. Once your video is generated, select your download settings and save the file. While the result might not be exactly what you imagined, it's still impressive for a first version, and yes, it comes with background music too. Personally, I prefer to refine my videos using CapCut to streamline everything and add my own touch. Step 5. Explore subscription plans. If you're looking for more features and fewer limits, explore InVideo's subscription plans. Plus, Max, Generative, Team. Each plan is available with monthly or annual options depending on your needs. That's it. You're now on your way to creating high-quality short videos, quickly, easily, and with zero technical expertise. Enjoy your content creation journey with InVideo AI.